all them bitches out here Lil Ratchet video shoot, finna get a couple of shots of the food right here on Home Street. Shit, then we going to the next location down the street. Try to get everything wrapped up real quick here. Hopefully everybody pull up and we can get started. Shit, GeekdTV, you know what it is, keep following. I remember it, every part of it. My mama told me do it, just can't get the skirt.
Lock the front door, lock the front door, lock the front door, lock the front door. Bitch, I'm in the bowl, bitch, I'm over the stove, bitch, I'm in the bowl, bitch, I'm over the stove. 20 for a show, 40 for a hoe, 20 for a show, 40 for a hoe. Trapping in apartments, trapping on the road, trapping out the trap house, trapping.
Hey,
GeekdTV. Y'all see how that water I go? Sell me one. Oh, you already went there. Goddamn Florida water, baby. We got them goddamn, the get right. The we got the to get I'll be locked down on my boat. Yeah. What you charging me, hey? I get $200. Really, don't give me them $5. I just wait when I got your ass back. Oh, the whole girl? You said 2, right? Give me 5? Oh. Okay, let me get 1.
Turn up, nigga. Don't turn up, it be Jizzle. Run young Ratchet. You understand me? I'm T-Bone. Young Gummy. Walk with me, Terry Heights, Mason Court, for real. What you got to say?
I ain't fucking with my people. Nigga kind of tired.
That juice.
Feel like I'm winning in this motherfucker, nigga. They cheering for me and shit. Get your double cup, toast up. We're here. I'ma stay the same whether I'm broke or rich, and thug it out with the same bitch. Day one real niggas I remain with. Rope around